In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create accurate 1099 reports in Zoho Books. This is a crucial process if you're managing vendor payments and need to comply with IRS regulations. The Form 1099 is essential for reporting payments made to vendors, particularly if you're dealing with contractors or freelancers. So let's walk through the process step by step and ensure you have everything set up correctly in Zoho Books. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Vendors module. You can find this located on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books account. This module is where you'll manage all your vendor interactions and ensure that everything is recorded just as it should be for seamless accounting and reporting. Once you're in the Vendors module, the next step is to either select an existing vendor or create a new vendor. This provides a foundation for accurately tracking payments and ensuring all necessary data is recorded. If you already have vendors in your system, just click on their names. Otherwise, use the option to create a new one, entering the pertinent details for this new entry. Now, it's time to head over to the Other Details tab of the Vendors Edit page. Here, you'll find a crucial option that requires your attention. You need to check the box that states Track Payments Made to this vendor for filing Form 1099. This is an important step because it ensures Zoho Books will automatically keep track of your transactions with this particular vendor, allowing you to generate accurate 1099 reports. Next, enter the vendor's tax ID. This can be an EIN, SSN, ITIN, or ATIN, and it's important to enter it in the specific format that Zoho Books requires. This ID is crucial for IRS reporting purposes, so double-check this information to avoid any errors. The following step is optional, but highly recommended for completeness. Attach a copy of the vendor's Form W-9 to your records. This serves as an additional layer of documentation to back up the information you have on file, helpful in case of audits or discrepancies. Once you've ensured all the details are accurately inputted, go ahead and save the vendor details. This action is vital because once saved, Zoho Books will automatically start tracking all paid transactions for this vendor, allowing these to be included in the Form 1099 report. This tracking will occur for any transaction that meets the IRS threshold, saving you time and work when compiling reports. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to generating accurate 1099 reports in Zoho Books with confidence and ease. This process not only helps you in meeting compliance requirements, but also streamlines your accounting operations, making your year-end processes a whole lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.